Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into raindrop.io, one of the most talked about bookmark managers out there. If you've ever struggled to keep your online resources organized or lost that one crucial link in a sea of bookmarks, raindrop.io might just be the solution for you. In this video, I'll be talking you through an in-depth review of raindrop.io. We'll cover an overview of the platform, its standard features, the pricing, its pros and cons, and ultimately whether it's the best bookmark manager out there in 2024. And stick around to the end. I'll suggest some other alternatives just in case you think Raindrop doesn't fully meet your needs. At its core, Raindrop.io is a next-generation bookmark manager that is designed to help you save and organize all kinds of content that you find online, from articles and videos to images and PDFs. But Raindrop goes beyond just saving links. It allows you to build a personalized, searchable, and visually engaging library of resources. So, what sets Raindrop apart from a basic bookmarking tool? First, it's all about how customizable and visually rich the experience is. Most browsers offer simple bookmarking functions where you can save a link in a list, maybe with a title or folder, but Raindrop takes this to the next level by giving you an interface that almost feels like a digital library. Each item you save shows up with a preview image and a description, making it easier to visually recognize and quickly find what you're looking for later. Raindrop's platform is designed to be user-friendly, yet powerful. It has a minimalistic look that's easy to navigate, so you're not overwhelmed with too many options, but everything you need is within reach. Plus, it's versatile. Raindrop works across most major web browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, and as a native app for Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. This level of cross-platform accessibility is essential for anyone who moves between multiple devices. You could start saving bookmarks on your desktop, continue on your tablet, and access everything later on your phone without missing a beat. Another great aspect of Raindrop is its flexibility in how you organize your saved items. Beyond just being a place to store links, Raindrops.io aims to be a complete knowledge organization tool. For example, it includes features that allow you to save and search the content of articles, not just the titles or URLs. This is especially helpful for researchers or anyone managing a library of information that is large, as you don't have to remember specific keywords or titles. Instead, you can search by content and Raindrop will pull up any saved link containing that keyword. Raindrop.io also supports multiple media types. You can save images, videos, articles, and files, practically anything that has a URL. This is perfect if you're building a resource library, managing an archive, or even curating ideas and inspiration across different formats. In short, Raindrop.io isn't just about saving bookmarks. It's about creating an organized, visually appealing, and highly customizable space where all your digital resources can live together. Whether you're a casual internet user or a heavy researcher, Raindrop has built something that appeals to a wide audience, and that's one of the reasons it's gained such a dedicated following. Now let us get into the main features. This is where Raindrop really shines. First, we'll talk about collections and tags. Raindrop allows you to create collections for broad categories and tags for more granular control. For instance, you might have a work collection with tags like research, articles, and tutorials. This flexibility is ideal for keeping resources organized in a way that makes sense to you personally. Next, we have cloud backup. Raindrop offers the option to back up your bookmarks, so if you ever lose data or switch devices, your saved links are safe. It's especially helpful for long-term projects or if you're storing important research. Another big one is the web clipper. This extension lets you save links with just a single click, and it's available on most browsers. But it's not just saving the link, it lets you add details like a title, tags, and even a quick note about why you saved it. It's a streamlined process that really stands out. Raindrop also has powerful search and filtering tools. You can search through your entire library of bookmarks by title, tag, or content, which makes retrieving information incredibly fast. And speaking of fast, the app's performance is consistently smooth even with large collections. One more thing, collaborative and social features. Raindrop lets you share specific collections with other users, making it a handy tool for teams, educators, or anyone working on group of projects. And beyond sharing with a few people, you can make collections public and follow other users' collections too if they've shared something interesting or relevant to you. Now let us talk about the pricing. Raindrop.io has a free version with many essential features, so if you're looking for a basic bookmark manager, this might be all you need. However, for those who want to unlock its full potential, the Pro plan costs around $28 per year, and that is about $3 per month. With the Pro plan, you get some crucial extras. For example, you can search through the content of saved web pages, enjoy cloud backups, and see broken links highlighted automatically. The Pro version also has more design customization options for your collections and offers integrations with services like Zapier, which lets you connect Raindrop to other tools and automate workflows. All in all, it's a reasonable price for what you get, especially if you are a heavy bookmark user. Now let us talk about the pros and cons. First, we talk about the pros. User-friendly interface. The design is visually appealing and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Powerful organization tools. Collections, folders, and tags make it easy to organize large amounts of information. Cross-platform syncing. The fact that you can use it across all devices means you never lose track of bookmarks. Search functionality. The ability to search by title, tags, and even full content for pro users is a huge plus. Collaboration and sharing. It is great for Teams projects or sharing resources with others. How about the cons? Limited features in the free version. Some users may find that the free version doesn't quite offer enough functionality, especially for power users. Monthly fee for pro features. While it's affordable, the subscription model might not appeal to everyone, especially if you're used to free bookmarking tools. Browser compatibility. Although Raindrop is widely compatible, the experience can vary slightly between browsers, and the mobile app's usability sometimes is not as smooth as the desktop or web version. But overall, while the cons are relatively minor, they are worth considering, especially if you're not sure about paying for a pro account. Now here's a big question. Is Raindrop.io the best bookmark manager in 2024? For many users, the answer is yes. Its intuitive design, flexible organization, and unique features set it apart. For every bookmark users, researchers, and even teams, Raindrop has a lot to offer. The Pro version's additional features like full-text search and integrations can really enhance productivity, making it worthwhile if you're serious about bookmarking and need a reliable tool for managing large volumes of content. However, for those who need something very basic or don't see the need for paid plans, there may be simpler alternatives out there. That said, Raindrop is truly one of the best options available right now in terms of feature depth, user experience, and versatility. Well, if you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Pocket, Digo, and Evernote. And that's it for today's review of Raindrop.io. I hope you found this helpful and that it gave you a clear sense of whether Raindrop is the right bookmark manager for you in 2024. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.